Hi, my name is Lanea and today I will be doing a tutorial for you guys. I did it for school this morning. It was really fun, so I'm happy to do it with you guys. In today's tutorial, I will be doing a bun. So what I'm going to be using is some gel, as you can see, some hair ties. I'm going to be using two. A snap bracelet. You don't have to use a snap bracelet if you do not want to. I would be using a brush to brush my hair and a soft brush to smooth it out. I'm going to be using a comb, hairspray, and some of this stuff. Maybe I'm not, and maybe I am. So first what I'm going to do is you want to pull the hair like this. You want to get your brush and you want to brush out your hair. And if your hair is dry, you can go to your sink, get some water, make your hair not drying all over. So my hair was kind of dry and all that, and I don't want it dry. So take your hair, brush it, and if it's soft, that's good, because that's what you want. You want a soft bun, and you don't want a hard one, because if you have a hard one, then it's going to be like, whoop, and it's going to be standing up, and if you don't want that. I'm going to be brushing the hair on top. Ouch, that hurts. It's a little bit better. So then, want to get all of your hair. Well, first you want to get your soft brush. You want to wet it. Take the extra water out, put your fingers in the gel, oops. And then you want to smooth the gel, as you can see, on the bristles. Some extra, go dry it on my towel. And now, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the top, going to put your gel like this. Keep on smoothing it. And if you ran out of gel, then you can go ahead. Get the brush again. Oh, just splash some more on you. You can go ahead. Do the same thing that you did. Water your brush. Get some of your gel. Oops, a little bit too much. Then, again, put it on your bristles of your soft brush. If you don't have a soft brush, you could do this with a normal brush and all that. But I have a soft brush and I want to use it with a soft brush. Soft brush. Then you want to do the other side. And your hair should be like this. It should be smooth and steady. Okay, so I am done with that. And what else? You want to take all of your hair, want to put it in a ponytail. Then you want to get your soft brush again. And if there's any bumps, you can go ahead and take those bumps out. So here we go. And if you see any more bumps, you can brush them again. And then, if you see no bumps, then you can go ahead and get your hair tie and go ahead and tie it. You want to tie it really tight, because if you don't, you're going to have a loose, ugly bun, and you do not want that. And I want a tight, tight, tight bun. So I'm trying to do it 4 times. Ouch on my hands, so I can't do it 4 times, but that's okay. Then you have all your hair. Want to get it? Want to get some gel? You want to put it all over that hair? There you go. And then you're going to get your soft brush and go ahead and brush it. So you have a nice ponytail now. And it's nice, really nice. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get your hair. You're going to get it ready. You're going to twist the hair. You want to wrap it. And you want to wrap it like really tight. But if you're going for a loose bun, you can not wrap it tight. But I'm going for a really, really tight, 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 tight bun. So I'm going to do it tight. Then you hold it, you get another hair tie, and you tie it. You can tie it twice. You can tie it twice, or you can tie it once or 3 times. And then you get your comb. Your comb is just going to help you put the hair smooth and straight and all that. And you want to use the edge. You don't want to use like boop and go like that. You want to use the edge, because the edge is what makes it smoother. So that is perfect. And then I'm going to get my, well, first I'm going to get this. I'm going to spray it all over my hair. Go ahead. And go like that. Get a little bit more. And if you do not have this, that is okay. You can go like that. Then you want to get your soft brush again. And you want to use the edge just like the comb. Then you want to get the hairspray. You want to spray it all over. And then you want to get your soft brush again. And you want to smooth your hair. And your hair should be like this, and then you get your gel, rub it all over your hands. Then you go like this to smooth it. Then you get a little bit more gel if you want. And you do the same thing like you did. My stuck email, but it's okay because I'm going to have my thing, my snap bracelet. Then you're gonna get your, hold on, maybe I can fix that, put that up, some gel. And I'm gonna get my snap bracelet. And you do not have to have a snap bracelet. You can just leave the bun just like this. But I want to have, whoa! I want to have a snap bracelet in my hand. You can just leave the bun like this, or you can put a bow or anything you want in your hair. Completely fine. It's up to you. Then you want to tie it down. Just like this.